Gold, XAU, USD. Technical analysis. 14 May 2025. Time frame, 1H, hourly. Chart summary. The chart shows gold versus US dollar, XAU, USD, within a descending channel. 3 moving averages are applied. MA50, yellow, 3043.48. MA20, orange, 3,753. MA20, pink, 3,279. RSI 14, currently at 40.17, indicating weak momentum but not oversold. Current price action. Price 3,232.99, below all major MAs, showing bearish momentum. The price is near the mid-level of the descending channel, but trending towards the lower boundary. The last few candles are showing sideways consolidation, hinting at indecision after a recent drop. Bearish outlook. As long as the price stays below 3,245.3,250, the bias remains bearish. Next key support levels to watch. 3,220 zone, intermediate support. 3,160.3,100, channel bottom support by end of May if bearish trend continues. Bullish reversal triggers. A breakout above 3,265.200 MA and the upper trend line of the channel would invalidate the bearish trend. RSI needs to bounce above 50 for strength confirmation. Trading strategy. Short-term bias. Bearish below 3,245. Sell zone. 3,245, 3,265. With tight SL above 3,270. Buy only on breakout. Above 3,270 plus RSI strength. Target for shorts. 3,200, 3,160, 3,100. Risk management. SL above channel resistance or 3,270